Hello there, traders! Hello mga ka-champion! Welcome again sa ating Learn from Scratch Forex Champion Series. So, for this episode, this is just a continuation ng ating mastering breakouts. So, I will be teaching you today ng isang trick for entry during or na maaaring makatulong sa inyo if you are a breakout trader. So, again, gusto ko lang magpasalamat sa mga sumusuporta at susuporta pa sa private group namin sa FB community, dito rin sa aking YouTube channel, at gusto ko rin magpasalamat doon sa aking mga VIP students. So, saan mang sulok kayo ng mundo, shoutout sa inyo, yung mga nandyan sa US, saan pa? Sa Dubai, sa Middle East, sa Malaysia, at sa ibang parts ng Philippines. So, again, maraming salamat sa suporta. So, kung gusto nyo pang matuto ng mas malalim pa, just, message me directly and I will attend it as soon as possible. So, tara, let's start sa aking lesson for today. Alright, guys. So, last time, naturo ko na sa inyo yung di ba? Naturo ko na sa inyo yung TFP wire system. So, I hope na-apply nyo sa ngayon sa inyong trading, or kung hindi man, sana ay nakatulong yon yung system na yon para ma-improve ang inyong trading strategy. On the other hand, last previous episode, I think episode 10, na-discuss ko rin yung regarding sa mastering breakout trading. So for today's episode, as I have said before, this is just a continuation ng mastering breakout trading. So tuturuan ko kayo ngayon ng isang entry trick. At tinatawag ko itong opposite logic entry trick. And later maintindihan nyo kung bakit. So again, I'm not saying na 100% ito, but it happens sa price, or it happens sa market most of the time. So, makikita nyo siya, and maybe you can apply this opposite logic entry trick. So, again, trade at your own risk. I'm just giving you some ideas, and hopefully, ma-apply nyo yun in a positive way sa inyong trading. So, tara, let's start. Okay. So, di ba, paano nga ba natin i-apply itong opposite logic entry trick? Okay. So, sabi dito, this is just a concept. Okay? Sa isang sell or short setup, kapag daw ang price ay bumaba, and then what? Nag-consolidate or nag-turn into a range market, like this. So, ano nga ba ulit? Balikan natin yung trend market structure kapag ka-range, sideways, or in consolidation. So, di ba? Merong low, high, same low, same high, same low, same high. This is the ideal consolidation. But of course, sa actual charts, meron kayong makikitang mga wicks or some candles na, of course, hindi naman laging super pantayan. But the idea is, normally, pag nakakita ka ng consolidation, it is a ranging market. Diba? So, balik tayo dito ngayon sa ating entry price opposite logic or opposite logic entry trick na aking tinatawag. So, again, for a sell or short setup, kailangan daw, bababa mo na yung price, magko-consolidate, and then what do we expect? We expect that the market, or the price will continue to move down. But, paano nga ba yung entry nito? So, based dito sa aking illustration, this is just the illustration that I have made based sa aking logic. So, normally, di ba tayo, pag nakita ng range market at alam natin magda-drop siya, hinihintay natin yung mga confirmation dito sa area to for a sell. And then normally, we place our stop loss above this range market. So, naisip ko, kung stop loss ang nilalagay doon, why not I put a pending order there as a sell entry? Diba? For a better price. So, tara, punta tayo sa charts para makita natin yung ibang examples or para makita nyo in actual ano yung sinasabi ko. Kapag nandito tayo sa isang sell or short setup sa entry price opposite what? Logic. Alright. So, punta tayo sa charts. Alright. Okay. So, currently, nandito tayo ngayon sa charts. So, ano nga ang sabi pag meron tayong sell or short setup? Diba? So, ano nga ba kailangan nating malaman? Ano yung kailangan nating makita? Kailangan daw bumaba yung price, nag-consolidate. So, we expect the market will continue down, but we should enter above that range or consolidation at the entry price or kung saan nilalagay yung mga stop loss ng nakararami. Okay? So, let's look for a clear consolidation. Okay, ito. Diba? Kung makikita nyo, meron tayong what? Kunin muna natin yung ating market structure. Okay? So, what happened to the price? I-analyze natin. The price move up and then move down, corrected or retracement, and then what? Bumaba siya ulit. And then after that, what happened to the price? The price consolidates dito. Yeah. More or less, you get the idea. Consolidation. Okay? So, yan yung ating market structure as of now. So, ano nga sabi sa setup? Balikan natin. Anong sabi sa setup? Sabi, when the price move down and it consolidates, we expect it to move further down, but we can enter above this consolidation as a better price entry. So, di ba, as opposite logic, ano yung sinasabi ng opposite logic? Normally, people would wait for a candlestick or bullish pattern, bearish pattern here, and then ang stop loss nila just above nung consolidation or nung itong range market illustrated sa isang box. So, naisip ko, kung stop loss ang nilalagay nito, why not I put a pending order or a sell pending order, di ba? For a better entry. Di ba? So, tingnan natin sa charts. Okay. So, di ba? Meron tayong what? Isang box dito. Masyadong madilim. Alright. So, pulahin ko lang tong mga lines. So, we all know na what? Na this is a consolidation what? Market. Or the price consolidates after a strong move to the downside or an impulse move downward. Alright? Sabi, ang entry niya, normally kasi ang mga tao, di ba? Pag nagte-trade ng bearish market, they place trade here after what? After ng isang confirmation candle, makita nyo, di ba? At ang stop loss above what? Above structure lang. Lalakayan ko pa para mas makita nyo. Above structure, di ba? Kita nyo? This is a selling pressure. So, dun sa mga taga-subaybay ng channel na to for the whole series na ginagawa ko, you will understand and I expect na alam niyo na magbasa ng mga candlestick formation. So, 'di ba? This is a confirmation na what? Na this is a sell setup kasi meron tayong formation na candle na merong selling what? Pressure. Ibig sabihin, na-overpower na ng mga bears yung what? Yung mga buyers in this ranging market, 'di ba? Or consolidating market. So, normally, when people see this confirmation, they place trades right after or on the next candle and the stop loss just above that structure or itong confirmation candle, di ba? For a better entry. However, based sa aking mock testing and observations, normally when the price have a strong impulse move downward, kapag biglang bumaba yung price at nag-consolidate, normally magko-continue siya pababa. As long as you know the whole picture of the what? Of the market. Diba? But for this episode, sabi ko nga, I'm just teaching you a trick only. Not necessarily it will happen every time. There's no 100% assurance. But it happens most of the time in my backtesting period. So, I have backtested this setup and more or less, I have capitalized on just this simple entry trick for a better price entry. So, if you are a normal confirmation trader, lalo na pag nasa consolidation market ka, you will wait for a setup at the resistance, di ba? At the resistance. Because this is a significant resistance level in a range, what? In a range or sideways or consolidation market. Diba? Ito daw ay resistance. So, ano nga sabi natin kapag we are on a ranging market? Kapag ikaw ay nasa what? Ayan, nabobo na sa spelling. Resistance. Right. Kapag ikaw ay nasa resistance, you go for sell. On the contrary naman, kapag ikaw ay nasa what? Support, you go for what? Buy opportunities. Oops, sorry, support. Diba? But in this case, merong opportunity for a sell because the price moved at a resistance level in a range what? Range market. So, nakakita ka ng confirmation na bearish candle with selling pressure. Normally, you would take trade here, above structure here. So, of course, yung TP naman, you go for a high time frame. But for this example, I don't want to give emphasis on that. The lesson is for a better entry. So, naisip ko, if this setup, normally people will put stop loss above. Why not I put a pending order or sell limit here and stop loss above the next structure, above nito, or even higher, diba? For a what? For a better entry. So what happened to the price? What happened to the price? Ano nangyari sa price? Sa yung chart. Next structure ay ito. So, doon ang aking TP. Alright. Back to the lower time frame. So, anong sabi? Anong sabi? Sabi, when the price have a strong impulse move downward and then it consolidated, instead of me waiting for a confirmation here, I can place a pending order just above the structure because what? Normally, instead of putting a stop loss here, di ba? Meron tayong stop loss above. Opposite logic nun, why not put a pending order as a sell for a much better entry? Di ba? So, what happened? Di ba nag-react doon yung price? Via this. Di ba? So, you know na what? Aside from having a better entry, it shows pala na on a range or consolidating market, after a big impulse down, it is safe to say na pwede ka palang mag-place ng ng sell limit order, knowing that people have a stop loss here. So, instead of you waiting for confirmation, I can just, place a sell limit order there. So, pwede tayo maglagay ng order doon just above nung consolidating market. So, again, I'm not saying this will work 100% at or 100% of the time, but it happens. So, as long as you know the concept. Again, I'm aiming for what? Better entry and what? Aside from better entry, of course, you get a more, in terms of risk-reward ratio, more better gains. Diba? So, that's just one example using this. What? Balik tayo sa presentation. Using this concept. Diba? Again, when the price move down, consolidate, you expect the market to move down even further. And instead of me waiting sa kasi ginagamit ko 'to no'n pagka tinatamad akong maghintay ng mga confirmation. So, I know I know the price was in a consolidation. So, may idea ako na since bearish overall trend siya, why not place a trade or a sell limit pending order just above the what? Just above the resistance level kung saan nilalagay yung mga stop loss ng mga nagwe-wait sa confirmation entry. So, yeah, I have backtested this setup. Just a trick, when I was lazy that time, parang tinatamad ako maghintay ng mga confirmation. No, I'm using this when I was just starting trading. So, I have capitalized naman on this setup, but I'm not saying it will work 100% of the time. But for me, it worked most of the time. Lalo na pag I feel like I just want to place trades anywhere, but I don't advise doing that. But for this example, I'm just showing you a trick for a better what? Better entry using opposite logic. Kasi alam ko dito pagka nagka-confirmation dito ng setup, dito yung stop loss nila, instead of me putting that stop loss, I'm placing on the same level yung aking pending order as entry. So, mas nakakakuha ko ng better entry price, di ba? So, again, we can go to more examples. Balik tayo sa charts, di ba? I hope you get the logic. It may be funny to some people, but it worked for me during that time. Although I'm not doing this anymore, but you can try it by yourself. Again, trade at your own risk. Test it by yourselves. But I'm just teaching you some tricks, okay? Not exactly a system or rule-based system na for disciplined trader. This is just me when I was studying the market, sisimula pa lang nag-aaral. Ang dami kong na-observe sa sa price lalo sa charts. Sabi ko, teka lang, laging bago mag-move down yung market, mag-move muna yung pataas, di ba? For a more bigger move down. So, instead of me, 'di ba, normally nilalagay stop loss, naisip ko, bakit kaya hindi sell ang pending order ang gawin ko for a better entry. And then poof, it worked for me. So again, trade at your own risk. You can try it. If you don't want, it's up to you. So I'm just showing you some tricks. Alright? So you can just play around, backtest it by yourself naman. So again, let's look for another example. Hanap tayo ng consolidation. So again, just look for consolidation after I move down. This is for a short setup, right? So ito. Nasaan ba yung ibang setup? Ito, clear consolidation. Again, what? The price moved down and then what? Formed a consolidation. This is a consolidation, right? Tama ba? This is a consolidation. So, anong gagawin ko? Wait lang. Anong gagawin ko? Since tinatamad ako mag-wait ng mga setup, again, I'm doing this before when I was just starting, not now. I'm trading differently now. So, nakakita ako ng consolidation after move down. Nasa isip ko, why not put a sell pending order here? Boom. Then, above structure, above here, more or less. And then, higher time frame for the TP. Next, higher time frame key level ay ito sa akin. Diba? So, I place my TP there. So, again, going back to the lower time frame. Where's that? Yun. Diba? Na-hit ba yung order ko? Yung lazy pending order. Using this, entry trick, opposite logic. Diba na-hit siya? Kita nyo? Na-hit. And then, the price what? Moved. Or dropped. Diba? Again, you can look for clear. Ang sabi ko, maghanap lang kayo ng clear consolidation market after a impulse move down. Diba? So, and then, stop loss just above the next structure. Pwede nga dito kung gusto mong safe na safe ka. But then again, it's up to you. So, normally, I place the stop loss just above, again, the next structure na pwedeng mag-react yung price. Normally dito. Kasi, what? O kaya dito. Wow. Diba? So, for this explanation's sake, para naman sa, alam nyo na, simpleng explanation. So, what I'm trying to say is, again, for the short setup, move down, consolidation, then place your pending order here, then just wait. Alright? So, again, try it by yourselves. Wala naman masama. Of course, you can use smaller lot sizes for just testing this trick, I must say. So, that's why I call it opposite logic, pantamad. Alam ko naman normally pag may setup dito, ang stop loss nila nasa ibabaw. So, anong gagawin ko? Instead na stop loss ang ilagay ko pending order as sell. Diba? Bumaba naman siya diba? So, again, nag-backtest ako nito when I was just starting. So, I have capitalized on this setup kahit medyo sasabihin ng iba, nanguhula lang ako. But again, this is just a trick. This is not a system na meron kang rules na pina-follow. I'm just sharing it to you guys kasi, baka ito na lang gawin nyo and you can still earn money out of this. So, up to you. But then, I'm just giving you, binibigyan ko lang kayo ng mga ibang workarounds, ideas sa trading. So, ang daming pwedeng paglaruan ng mga ideas sa trading. So, kung ano yung mga ginagawa ko nun, I'm just sharing sa inyo. Baka may mapulutan kayong aral at baka makatulong sa inyo. So, yun ang purpose ko. Kaya, tinuturo ko to sa inyo. I'm not saying na ito lang yung gawin nyo. But then again, as I had said, trade at your own risk. Alright? So, nakikita nyo yung trick, opposite logic. So, stop loss. So, ang gawin ko, order instead of stop loss. Diba? Simple as that. Then, stop loss ko naman just above the next above structure. Diba? Alright. So, hanap tayo ng hanap naman tayo ng what? Again, we go back to the presentation for the buy setup. Alright. So, ganun din sa buy. After a strong move impulse going up at nagkaroon ng consolidation, clear consolidation, you expect the market to go up even further. So, anong gagawin natin? Since alam natin normally pag may setup dito, nagpe-place sila ng stop loss, instead na stop loss, ang gawin ko, yung stop loss level na yun, ang gagawin kong entry for a better entry price using opposite logic entry. Diba? That's for buy or long what? Buy or long setup. So, I guess natatawa kayo na, damn, at some point naman, probably it will work. So, nakikita nyo naman sa charts na, it may not be instant, di ba? Hindi man agad-agad na nag-react doon yung price. But then again, as I've said, hindi ko naman to ituturo sa inyo or i-share. Again, this is not a strategy. This is just a trick, okay, for better entry. So, hindi ko naman i-share sa inyo kung hindi ko tinry sa sarili ko. Di ba? Lahat ng sinishare ko dito sa inyo, sa series, lahat to ay aking experience inaral. So, I hope may natututunan kayo and masaya naman ako at dun sa mga comments ng mga tao, members man o hindi, VIP man o hindi. So, I'm just sharing you guys kung ano yung mga ginagawa ko nun. I hope na sana makatulong yun. So, again, we look for buy setup. Hanap tayo. Buy setup. Alright, ayun. Diba? Okay. Ano daw? After tingnan natin yung market structure. Move up. Move down. And then what? Ano ba to? Oh, sorry. This is just the what? Again, consolidation. Diba? Itong part na to. Diba? Going up, consolidate. Then you expect the market to go up. So again, anong setup natin dito? Sabi ko, kung stop loss dito, maybe I can use a buy limit order. Diba? Dito, boom. Ang aking stop loss just below next structure. So, TP ko, let's say, let's go back to the higher time frame. Sana yun? Boom. Higher time frame, next higher time frame, ito, significant level. Diba? So, again, going back to what? 1 hour time frame for the entry. So, again, I'm doing this before, yung tinatamad talaga ako mag-wait ng mga confirmation, just being lazy, but I realized na at some point, it worked. Alright, let's say nandito yung entry ko. Na-hit ba siya? Boom! See that? You see that? Nakita nyo? Nakita nyo? Sabi ko, hindi lagi siya instant na nagmamaterialize. But then again, after I move up, the market will move further up. And instead of me waiting for this setup and putting my stop loss sa below this structure, instead na stop loss ang lagay ko, imbis na ganito ang setup ko, wait Ulitin ko ha. Imbes na ganito ang setup ko, if I will wait for confirmation, diba? To stop loss. Again, higher time frame TP. Why not? Sabi ko, why not? As a trick, stop loss. So, why not put my pending order here and put my what? Diba? Then, yung stop loss ko naman, just below nitong next structure with the same level ng TP. Ano nangyari? Na-hit pa rin yung pending order ko nito. And then, the price rallied so much higher. Diba? Again, this is just a trick that I'm trying to share with you guys. Sabi nga, ulit-ulit, trick lang to. Hindi siya setup or hindi siya, hindi siya strategy. I just came across this logic na, teka lang, ba't laging ganun? Pag tapos ng consolidation mas bababa pa siya tapos tataas. Diba? From a strong move upside. Diba? Kanina naman, from a strong move downside, consolidate, tataas mo na ng konti, boom, and then saka bababa. So, I hope, may napulot na naman kayong aral o, ewan ko kung aral ba to sa inyo, but, again, I'm sharing with you, baka pwedeng makatulong sa inyo to, kung medyo tinatamad din kayong maghintay ng mga confirmation. Again, this is the setup na sinasabi kong opposite logic, di ba? Instead of stop loss, I'm putting pending orders, inaasahan na may hit yon at mag-capitalize on the bigger move. So, during my backtesting period, during those times na nagsisimula pa lang ako, nakatulong siya sa akin and nakapag-capitalize naman ako on this lazy setup. So, I don't need to wait for confirmation candle, blah, 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 breakout, blah, blah, blah. So, what I'm trying to do ay using the opposite logic na yung stop loss level ng mga tao pagka merong consolidation, yun yung ginagawa kong entry. Di ba? Yung mali, pag may bullish entry ka dito, ang stop loss mo nandito. And yun yung gagawin kong entry. Di ba? For a better price. Then, yung stop loss ko just below next structure. So, ano nangyari? Tumaas siya. Na-hit yung pending ko. Possible, ma-hit din yung TP ko. Di ba? So, guys, again, I think some of you matatawa dito sa idea to, saan ba? Sa trick na to. Kaya sabi nga, trick siya. Hindi siya setup, hindi siya professional or strategy na pang discipline trader talaga na tipong rule-based. But then again, nakatulong to sa akin noon and I'm just sharing it with you. So, I hope may natutunan naman kayo dito sa bagong episode na to. This is just an option for a better entry na nakapaloob sa mastering breakouts. So, I don't know if alam nyo na to or if na-discover nyo rin to nung nagbabacktest kayo lagi. So, inunahan ko na kayo na baka makatulong sa inyo. Kung medyo tinatamad kayo, sabi ko nga, na maghintay ng mga confirmation. So, I'm not saying na profitable to in the long run, but nakapag-capitalize naman ako, sabi ko nga sa inyo. So, pag every time na nahihit tong order ko feeling ko genius na ako that time at sabi ko, dito lang, pwede na ako kumita So, reminiscing those days na ganito lang yung mga ginagawa ko, but still, nakakapag-capitalize pa rin ako. So, again, this is just a continuation ng mastering breakouts. This is just a trick, not a strategy, sabi ko nga. So, going back sa ating presentation, diba? So, tandaan nyo lang yung setup na yan. For my move down, consolidate, you expect it to move down. Normally, yung mga taong naghihintay ng confirmation, stop loss nila dito, yung stop loss nila, gawin mong level ng entry. Diba? So, again, for the buy or long setup, move up, nag-consolidate, you expect it to move up further. So, instead, yung stop loss nila, gawin mong entry. So, mag-pending order ka at hintayin mo na lang ma-hit yun. And then, relax. So, again, this is just for those lazy persons na ayaw maghintay ng confirmation. So, again, ewan ko kung natatawa kayo. Ako, natatawa pa rin ako pag naaalala ko na na ginagawa ko to noon. But again, I just want to share with you. Ito nga. So, sana, try nyo guys, using small lot size. Baka makatulong sa inyo. So, again, I hope may natutunan kayo dito sa trick na to. I hope may natutunan kayo sa episode na to. So, try nyo guys. Wala namang mawawala. Siguro kung matalo man kayo, gamitin nyo lang yung smaller lot size. And always practice risk management. But then again, yung setup, tinuro ko naman, ano yung itsura nung after nung consolidation, saan kayo mag-place na entry. So, again, maraming salamat sa mga sumusuporta, sa susuporta pa, dun sa mga members ng private group, dun sa mga VIP students ko, sa mga non-VIP, lahat kayo, I appreciate yung mga messages nyo sa akin, alin pa, mga comments nyo, at asahan nyo, patuloy lang ako mag-share sa inyo ng mga ideas, even tricks, or strategy. So, we are growing in this community and I'm very grateful naman na na-appreciate nyo yung mga ginagawa ko. So, again, see you sa next episode and salamat guys. Salamat mga ka-champion. So, bye-bye.